Hi guys. Me, Misha, everything I say is not financial advice, my personal opinion. Nothing much happening. Hold on. Who dares to text me? Okay. But yeah, I didn't take this trade and I have regrets, but there was like bigger volumes in our face. This. It's okay. We had like bigger volume on test in the hindsight because like then the bigger volume and we closed below the opening of the test. So ever since here it was fine. However, the whole thing is flimsy because oops, what the heck? What happened here? Ah, okay. Um, a little panic. Um, Yeah, everything looks great here except for the fact that this was like a multiple bar manipulation, so I'm not even sure this level still exists. And then it's already been manipulated and it's an independent approach and volume was good, but yeah. Yeah, there was an exhaustion here. That's the thing. Exhaustion and we changed direction. I don't know. Ask my trading coach what he thinks. I'll let you know. Let's see the rest of the market. I have time all of a sudden. That change direction goes, closes in correction in 2 hours, I think. And yeah. Was it even a change direction? So now we need the whole shebang. Regardless, I don't even want to chart it. I just started the stream and then I don't want to do it right away. What the heck is wrong with me? It's also a cloudy day in sunny California. Maybe that's like, I think I just like Californized too much. A gloomy day already, like. What I'm doing here, anyways. We finally are getting probably the transition extreme. So, so it's, um, where was I? So this would have totally worked, but one bar, we don't do those. This whole thing went too deep into the neutral zone. I think, and that's it. Yeah. None of this looks healthy. And yeah, doing It's a reversal. 0.5 is passed. 0. Continuation of the trend. From the previous 0.5. That would be the level to watch. One bar rule. So this volume is a little too. Oh, it's not even. Excuse me. Yeah, so the sign of strengths doesn't even make sense because Roman, my trading coach, likes to say it was a nail in the lid of the impulses coffin. That's a bit too dramatic to my taste, but maybe truthful to the nature of what's going on. I missed this trade. I didn't take it, even though it was here, but and you see it didn't go. That was an entry, but like this volume, if this volume was on the buying bar, then that would be a go for sure, but not the way around, not the way it is here. I still love this level if it comes to it. Q's as always. That's a wrong like affirmation I do every time I say that. Like as always, it doesn't give you an entry point. But to hell with positive psychology and affirmations. I don't feel like it right now. Sorry. I was such a big adept. Adept or adept? Adept. Hey Siri, define adept. Yeah, adept. Of positive psychology. Like in my 20th, I'd say. Like hardcore. That was a previous point too, but none of this matters. But in the end, there's nothing really matters. Dun, 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 dun. Yeah, this thing. Oh, look at this. It's too far and like too high, like all of that. Who needs it anyways when they have crypto? Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, dun, dun. Interesting. One bar reversal. No, it broke it by here. Wait, what am I trying to? Yeah. Sorry, but no. I try so hard and gone so far, but in the end, there's nothing really matters. Dun, dun. Wasn't he great? I don't know much about him. Like I only most of the like hyped, super popular things I learn in like hindsight by the time they get like well over the hill. So think Limp Bizkit really got on my radar after he committed suicide, right? He just didn't die early. He just went for it. Sad story. Like, okay, I gotta be careful what I say while streaming on YouTube about what I think about suicide. I think it's like too stigmatized. It's not, I mean, I don't think it's a good thing, but I also think there's like too much like societal stigma around it just because no one wants and society doesn't want you to end your life prematurely. It's not like it cares about you too much. It's just like, well, you still can be productive, please. Continue to drag, pull the, um, what do you call it in English? Pull the weight, do your thing. Uh, that's now a sign of strength. It's actually not bad for. Oh, and we already reached 0.5. Reached 0.5. So, so that looks like a break. Done and like a massive one. Yeah. Yeah. There's no point of this test level. I'm not gonna trade it anyway, so it's useless. There's this guy from Commonwealth, I think from England, who would run ads about his like revolutionary trading system on YouTube. And he was like, "You're still useless. You still use this useless retail charts," trying to impress the audience with the depth of the market. Columns. What do you call these columns with depth of the market? In Russian, it's called like glass. I don't know why, because I don't know. Resembles the glass. I don't know why it's called the glass. But depth of the market in Russian called glass. Glass of orders. Go figure. Russians are weird. But nonetheless, stays accurate. In English, I couldn't find a better term than depth of the market. Should have gone and worked in the firm on the street, god damn it. I don't think that would have contributed positively to my mental health. If I did. But boy, if I did. I bet it's competitive out there. And the weather is shit. It's there, the level is just the problem is it's gonna close in correction in an hour. So what the heck? What a what the heck? Yeah, I mean, I mean, there's still hour and change. Home Depot. Yeah, unfortunately, again and again, the volume distribution into transitioning shroud slash T1 is not good. So okay, but what I'm trying, why do I need this bro stock? Anyway, it's a test to this up thrust and it's unvolumed. Not good for investment trade. Not good for a swing trade either. Impressive. I'm gonna go take a break. You guys trade responsibly on your own. Now listen to anyone. No one knows anything. Learn and grow in the communities of like-minded people.